My name is Hannele Lahti. I'm the living collections photographer here at Smithsonian Gardens, and I am responsible for collecting digital surrogates, which are photographs, of the tree collection, the orchid collection, and the display collections for the institution. This type of photography is definitely more based in science than it is based in art, I would say. I'm trying to marry the two and create images that are scientifically viable for the collection surrogates and then also make them look nice. So the process of photographing orchids, it starts with identifying which plants have not been photographed and then waiting for them to bloom. And then the lead horticulturist, he selects the plants and prunes the plants and then puts them on a cart for us. And then we come in and put them on this black background and photograph them. We do a little bit of pruning if necessary, but we photograph the full plant and then we photograph a close-up of the flower. Capturing orchids, there are some very basic things that we have to capture, and the most important thing is that the flower is fully in focus, which sounds simple, but when you're doing macro photography, it means you need to have a lot of light. So I have very high-powered lights in order to shoot the orchid at a high f-stop. It's a little technical, but there are parameters and it changes by plant. And most of the time we're trying to photograph the flower as the pollinator sees it. The beauty of this project is that we are creating a huge library of images that researchers can use, that the public can view and start to understand what we have. Here at Smithsonian Gardens, the collection is massive and it's amazing. And now through the photography of all of these plants, we can actually share them worldwide. There's no limit to being able to share what we know. Because in addition to the photography, we're also enhancing the plant records. So our researcher is adding a ton of stories about each of these orchids and each of the trees that we've photographed so that we have this really rich content that we can share with anyone.